The transition from record-breaking prototypes to customer-ready hypercars requires more than engineering. It demands production capability. British manufacturer McMurtry Automotive has addressed this requirement by opening a new 29,000 square foot production facility to assemble its spiraling pure track car. The vehicle visually reflects a radical approach to aerodynamics. Designed as an electric single-seater fan car, the machine utilizes an on-demand fan system to generate over 4,400 pounds of downforce from a standstill. This architecture allows the lightweight hypercar to achieve 3G cornering and even drive upside down. After more than 3,100 miles of prototype testing, the company expects to deliver its first customer vehicles in the summer of 2026, priced at around $1.25 million. However, innovation extends beyond a single vehicle. The automaker also launched McMurtry Technology, a new division dedicated to commercializing the intellectual property developed during the hypercar program. This division provides engineering services and solutions, including performance battery technology and vehicle software. By expanding its production footprint and establishing a dedicated technology division, McMurtry is scaling its elite electric performance solutions for both private track enthusiasts and the broader automotive industry.